In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Jira Timeline feature efficiently to manage your projects. Start by logging into Jira and navigating to your work, then click Projects and select the project you want to manage. Next, click on the Timeline option to open a chronological view of your tasks and deadlines. To organize your work, create an epic by clicking the Create Epic button, give it a clear name, and set its start and end dates by selecting the corresponding cells on the timeline. This helps visualize your project's schedule and ensures everyone stays aligned on milestones. Your epic now serves as a structure for breaking down tasks and tracking progress. The timeline feature makes it easy to see the big picture while keeping track of smaller tasks, enhancing clarity and efficiency in project management. And that's it. With these steps, you can leverage Jira's timeline to keep your projects organized and on track.